Welcome to Amazon FBA and FBM for beginners. Learn step by step how to start and grow your Amazon business. In this course, you'll discover everything you need to launch your first Amazon business, from creating your account to scaling your brand worldwide. Module 1. Understanding Amazon FBA and FBM. 1. What is Amazon FBA and FBM? 2. Key differences. FBA versus FBM. 3. How much money do you need? We'll begin with the basics. Understanding FBA and FBM, their key differences, and how much money you need to get started. Module 2. Registration and Setup. 4. Step-by-step account registration. 5. Choosing individual versus professional account. 6. Required documents. 7. How to avoid rejection or bans. Next, you'll learn how to properly set up your Amazon seller account and avoid common mistakes that can lead to rejections or bans. Module 3. Tools for Success. 8. Recommended seller tools. 9. Product research basics. 10. How to analyze competitors. Then, we move into the tools and strategies to find profitable products and analyze competitors. Module 4. Sourcing and listings. 11. Finding reliable suppliers. 12. Negotiating with suppliers. 13. Shipping your products to Amazon. 14. Creating your Amazon listing. You'll discover how to source products, negotiate with suppliers, and create high-converting product listings with professional images. Module 5. Launch and Advertising. 15. Launching your products. 16. Getting your first reviews. 17. Managing PPC campaigns. We'll cover advertising, PPC campaigns, and launch strategies to get your first sales and reviews fast. Module 6. Financial Management. 18. Understanding fees and margins. 19. Tracking sales and profits. Learn to calculate your true profits by understanding Amazon fees and tracking your business performance. Module 7. Operations and Scaling. 20. Handling customer service. 21. Inventory and restocking strategy. 22. Scaling your business. We'll teach you how to handle customer service, manage returns, and plan your inventory to never run out of stock. Finally, you'll learn strategies to scale your business, launch more products, expand internationally, and build a strong brand. Ready to start? Let's begin your Amazon journey today. This course is your complete roadmap to Amazon success. Let's dive in and start building your business today.